Hey gorgeous people, today we're diving into a stunning mauve-toned makeup look that's perfect for brown and dusky skin tones. The best part? Every product I'm using is affordable and melanin friendly. All the products are cruelty-free or drugstore gems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me your favorite affordable find in the comments. Let's begin. Step 1. Skin prep. I'm starting with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion Lightweight, hydrating, and great for all skin types. Then I'm using ELF Power Grip Primer to get that tacky base that helps makeup stay put all day. Step 2. Base makeup. My go-to affordable foundation is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in shade 510 Hazelnut or 515 Copper. Both are amazing for medium to deep skin with warm undertones. For concealer, I'm using the ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut and Tan Latte to brighten under my eyes and even out dark spots. Blending everything with a damp sponge and works like magic. Step 3. Setting and contour. To set my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in Warm Beige. It's great for reducing shine without making the skin look flat. For contour and warmth, I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Contour Stick in C16. Creamy, blendable, and deep enough for dusky skin. Step 4. Mauve eye look. I'm using the ColourPop That's Taupe, or Making Mauves eyeshadow palette. These palettes are and have gorgeous mauve and neutral shades. Start with a matte mauve in the crease, deepen with the darkest plum, and shimmer up the lid with one of the metallic mauves. For the lower lash line, I'm blending the same mauve tones using a small brush. Step 5. Liner and lashes. For eyeliner, I'm using NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in Pitch Black, waterproof and long-lasting. Then I'm applying Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It gives volume, lift, and length. Step 6. Mauve blush and lips. For blush, Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore gives a mauve flush with a hint of glow, highlighting with Makeup Revolution. Reloaded highlighter in Golden Lights for a subtle gold sheen. Now for lips, I'm lining with NYX Lip Pencil in Espresso and filling in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Ruler. It's a deep mauve rose that suits every deeper skin tone. Finishing touches. To lock the look, I'm using the ELF Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. It sets without making your skin feel tight or dry.